Hi student, I am Mohan Roy from the architectural department. Today my topic is exit requirement. The subject is the building service and equipment. And this requirement, the topics are in our syllabus in module 6. And the total module is prepared as per National Building Code. I go our next slides. What is the exit requirement? The exit requirement is type of the exit, like the doorway, corridor and the passageway, internal staircases, external staircases, horizontal exit, fire door, ramp and fire lift. Also, we call this exit requirement depend upon the height of the building and occupancy load of the building and many type of building which is required for the fire exit lobby, fire door, ramp and others type of exit. So our next slide I will discuss what is the general requirement. Our next slide is general requirement. The data is collected as per the National Building Code. The exit may be doorway, corridor, passageway and the internal staircases or the external staircases to a veranda or terrace which have access to the street or the roof of the building or the refuge area. An exit may be also included the horizontal exit leading to and the adjoining building at the same level. Number 2. Lifts and escalators shall not be considered as the exit. It is remember, lift and escalator shall not be considered as the exit. Every exit access, the exit discharge shall be continuously maintained free. The all obstructions or the impediments to full use in case of the fire and other emergency. Then I will go the next slide. The general requirement. Every building means or the human occupancy shall be provided with the exits sufficient to permit the safe escape of occupant in case of fire and other emergency. In every building, structure exit shall be complied with the minimum requirement of the part except those not accessible for the general public use. Number 3. No building shall be altered as to reduce the number, width or the projections of the exit or less than the requirement. Number 4. Exit shall be clearly visible. At any route reaches the exit shall be clearly marked. Sign posted to guide the occupant of the floor. Sign shall be illuminated and wired to the independent electrical circuit on the alternative sources of supply. The size and the color of the exit sign shall be accordance with good practice. The color of exit sign shall be always green. The next slide is the point 5. The floor of the area covered for the means of exit shall be illuminated to the value of not less than 1 feet candles. The foot level of the auditorium, theatre, concert hall and other such places of assembly, the illuminations of floor, exit or access by the reduced during the period of the performances. The value of this hall is not less than 1 by 5 feet candles. The fire door within the 2 meter high fire resistance shall be provided at the appropriate places along the escape route and particularly at the entrance to lift lobby and the stairwell, whereas the created the including the upward spread of the fire and prevent the spread of the fire and smoke. All the exits shall provided the continuous means of egress or the exterior of the building or an the exterior open space leading to a street. Exit shall be arranged as such a manner that that may be reached without passing through another occupied unit. Then the occupant load and the capacity of exit. What is the occupant load? Occupant load is for the determining the exit requirement, the number of person of any floor or the occupant load shall be based on the actual number of occupant, but in case less than the specify of the table 20 as per the building code. What is a mezzanine? The occupant load of a mezzanine floor discharging to a floor below shall be added to the floor occupancy, and the capacity of exit shall be designed for the total occupancy load thus established. What is the capacities of exit? In this module, the unit of the exit width, height or the measurement or the capacity shall be 500 mm. The clear width is 250 mm shall be counted in the additional half unit. Clear width less than 250 mm shall not be counted for the exit width. Always remember, it is the minimum of 250 shall not be counted for the exit width.